My name is Tiffany Elizabeth, and I am going to be assembling this Sunny Health and Fitness manual walking treadmill. This treadmill already comes with all the tools that you're going to need to assemble it, and I really like that about it. First, I get out all my parts and just make sure that I have all of my parts. So you're going to want to start with this piece first, and then just grab these two bars that you see me grabbing. There are a couple ways that you can screw these parts together. You can either do it standing up. I found it easier to actually turn it face down, so that way you can screw the bolts in a lot easier, kind of like what you see right here. So once you have that all nice and tight, you can grab this part and make sure that you're putting them on the right sides. A lot of the pieces have like a R or a L, which stands for left side or right side. So here is the little screw that you're going to want to take to attach this. Then you just kind of repeat the same thing on both sides. Then you're going to move on to the next step. This is the hardest step in my opinion. It is recommended that you have someone help you because this is a bit heavy, but as you can see, I'm able to do it myself really carefully. For this part, you want to take the longest screw. You're gonna have to raise it a little bit like you see here and make sure it's nice and tight. At this point, your treadmill is going to look like what I just showed, and you want to grab this and screw that in just to secure everything. Now you're on your finishing touches. You want to add the handlebars and attach those as well. I like to screw mine with my hands first, and then I go in with my tool and tighten it. Then you can go ahead and grab this part and just add in the nice covers. The digital part does come with batteries, so you can go ahead and put those in and then attach that right here at the top like so. Last but not least, you can go ahead and start attaching all the cables just to have everything together. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I forgot to mention that this treadmill does come with lubricant, which is such a courtesy. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.